In this video, we're going to dive into an incredible indicator that can seriously boost your trading profits. Make sure to watch the whole tutorial until the end, so I'll show you how to fully automate it into a trading bot with alerts and customize your very own strategy, all for free. Head over to TradingView. This is the platform I usually work with. Once you're logged in, load up the 5-minute time frame of your desired pair. Now click on indicators and search for trend trigger factor. Choose the one by Lazy Bear. As the name suggests, the trend trigger factor is a trend indicator. It's designed to help traders stay in sync with the current market trend. Before we get into how it works, let's tweak a few settings. Double-click on the indicator to open its setting. In the Style tab, turn off the 2 plot options and change the third color to white. Also, increase the opacity of the plot's background to 100%, but for the red color, set it to about 60% minus 100% can be too bright. Now take a look at the indicator. The white line you see moving across is called the TTF line, and it shows the market's trend direction. There are 3 key horizontal lines. The top line at the 100 mark is the upper plot. When the TTF line crosses above this, it signals a strong bullish trend. The bottom line at the minus 100 mark is the lower plot. If the TTF line falls below this, it indicates a strong bearish trend. The central line or midline is at 0 and serves as the axis for the indicator. When the TTF line is above this line, it suggests the start of a bullish trend. If it's below, it points to the beginning of a bearish trend. To use this indicator effectively, we need to add one more tool to our chart. But first, elevate your trading game to new heights. Look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a Funded Next account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Funded Next, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets Funded Next apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With Funded Next, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With Funded Next, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get. Don't pay. With our 24-hour payout guarantee, your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. Back to the video. To add the additional indicator, open the indicator search tab and type in volume. Select the volume indicator from TradingView under the technical section. Double-click to adjust the settings. In the Style tab, enable the volume moving average and set its color to white. This volume indicator helps ensure there's enough market volume to move the price in the direction you want. You might be wondering how to use these indicators to take long and short positions. Let me break it down for you. For a long trade, make sure the TTF line has crossed above the upper plot, signaling a strong bullish trend. Verify this by checking if the TTF line is above 100 on the scale. Check if the crossover candle has enough bullish volume. The last histogram bar on the volume indicator being teal and above the white moving average shows this. Confirm that the price has broken and closed above the most recent resistance level. To find resistance, look for multiple swing highs. Draw a rectangle from the highest to the lowest peak, extending it to include the initial peak. Enter the long position when the price breaks and closes above this level. Set your stop loss just below the recent swing low and aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2 for take profit. Let's take a look at another example, but before doing that, If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and community, and consider subscribing and turning the bell on so you won't miss out on our future contents. The TTF line crosses above the upper plot, indicating a bullish trend. Ensure the TTF line's value is above 100. Check that the crossover candle has enough volume. The last histogram bar should be teal and above the white moving average. Verify that the price has broken above the resistance level by drawing from the highest to the lowest swing highs. Enter the long position when these conditions are met. For a short trade, confirm that the TTF line is crossed below the lower plot, signaling a strong bearish trend. The TTF line should be below -100 on the scale. Make sure there's enough bearish volume to drive the price down. The last histogram bar should be red and above the white moving average. Ensure the price has broken and closed below the most recent support level. Identify support by drawing a line from the lowest to the highest swing lows. Enter the short position when the price breaks and closes below this level. Set your stop loss above the recent swing high and aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2 for take profit. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. To sum up, the trend trigger factor is a powerful tool for spotting strong bullish and bearish trends. By following these steps for entering long and short positions, you can capitalize on market movements for potentially lucrative trades. Oh, and by the way, we could manage to achieve a whopping 83% win rate on a 3-minute time frame of the euro against US dollar chart. Remember to back test and forward test this strategy thoroughly before using real money. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't base your trading decisions solely on this video. That's it for today. Now it's time to share with you what I promised in the beginning of the video, here with a complete tutorial on how to turn any trading strategy into a fully automated bot with alerts. Also, it doesn't matter if you're a rookie or a seasoned trader, make sure to visit our Trading University playlist, especially the videos about risk management, enhanced fib levels, and human factors. Thanks for sticking around until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.